This review is for the YOO.MEE spout diverter, basically we use it as a pet wash. Comes with instructions, comes with 2 sets of the hose washers, so they go on either end of the hose piece, and it comes with plumber's tape. So the diverter goes in the top of your shower head. All you need to do is unscrew your shower head, put plumber's tape here, screw this on. You can turn the shower head back on or off when you're using the hose. Then you put more plumber's tape here and screw your shower head back on. So turning this to off, down here, this is the top piece. It has a rubber in here, and then this piece comes down to block off this. So you want to place the top on, and then it's best if you push up while you screw this on. So I'm going to pause to screw this on. So that is now screwed on tightly. I pushed up so this had a firm seal while I screwed down on this. Got a nice long hose and the hand attachment. So you turn this on. And once it gets its pressure buildup, it's got good pressure. We use it to wash the dog, no issues. Sometimes you'll get a little bit of leakage out the back, so the pressure isn't as good. So you can always adjust that if you need to, but it's definitely a good product for us. Haven't had any issues. To put it together, it comes at 3 pieces separate with the washers. So you're going to put a washer between this area when you screw this together and a washer in here when you screw the handle on. And then, like I said, it comes with 2 extra washers in case you need that in the future. So I give this a good rating. There's no issues with it and haven't had any problems.
I think that the key is it comes in tighten a certain way, unscrew it, almost like if you're going to take it all apart. You can if you like, and you just basically from the top to the bottom, this has to be centered in. Tighten up. It doesn't have to be cranked so hard. Hand tight, and then go about a quarter of a way. Get the attachments. As you can see, I'm not using any tools and I'm not applying any kind of real grip, tight pressure. Get the shower head. Simple. Turn it on. There you go. No leaks. Nowhere.
And excellent pressure.
And excellent pressure.
hold it. Put it out. Let's go.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a review on this product. I think it's a nice product, absolutely very useful. However, if you have a spout like mine, see where the diverter is located? Right there. It will not work for you. The diverter needs to be literally here on the tip, or it will not work. Sorry, I have to return this product because it's not like it's $5. You know, it's 22. So again, great product, but it will not work for yours if it's located there. Thank you. Hope this is helpful.
So I had my maintenance man put this in because I was really excited about it. That's what that does. And this should divert. And nope, can't get the shower head to work. So YOO.MEE, I had all hopes for you, but no longer possible.
You are.
Oh,
Betty.
She makes me so red.
That's okay. No
Oh my
cry.
God.
Did you want to say something to Mommy and Daddy?
I'm watching Oshi. I love you.
Oh, I know they love you too, and you're being such a help to Gaga.
Okay, for anyone who has leaking out of this part, what I did is I put these two back corners up to the very edge of the circle, and that stopped the leaking, and it works perfectly fine. No leaking now. Proud of myself for doing this. This thing is from Amazon, 20 bucks. And that's legit. You have dogs that need baths. Things awesome.